Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance trading bots. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified and secure. Then, generate API keys, granting necessary permissions for bot access while restricting withdrawal capabilities. Finally, allocate a specific amount of funds within your Binance wallet that you are comfortable using for automated trading strategies. Choosing the right bot strategy is crucial for success. Grid bots are excellent for volatile markets, profiting from small price movements. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, bots help reduce average purchase costs over time. For those seeking higher returns, futures bots can amplify gains, but also carry increased risk due to leverage. When configuring your bot, carefully select your trading pair and the total investment amount. Implement robust risk management by setting clear stop-loss and take-profit orders to protect your capital and secure profits. Remember, even with automation, consistent monitoring of your bot's performance is essential to adapt to market changes. Regularly review your bot's performance metrics to understand its effectiveness. The market is dynamic, so be prepared to adjust your bot's parameters, such as price ranges or investment amounts, to optimize its strategy. As you gain experience, explore more advanced bot strategies to further enhance your automated trading results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.